driving the thing?
It's not breaking up. Hell yeah, I miss driving this thing.
But YouTube, you already know. Max back with the banger. So here, my 240SX. It's fully caged.
Best kept secret.
Damn, guys. Rig, ready? Rig. Alright, YouTube, Joey Max back with a banger, top of the morning.
Top of the morning, 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 top of the morning.
I forgot to hit record and I was just talking to a whole clip. But you got Jordan over here getting his hands dirty for once. You don't be doing this shit no more. Look at this camera shy guy. He has a supercharged 370 now, so yeah, it's like that. But we're on the way to Kyle's house. Gonna be changing his axle seal because we just put a trans in his car, but the axle seal's pissing fluid. So we're gonna do that, and then maybe go drive it. We'll see. I have his hood dump on my 240. I just pulled it off. So we're gonna head over there. I'll pick the camera up when we get there, get the car all jacked up. All right, YouTube. As you guys can see, I got my gloves on. I got dirty fixing Kyle's car. Like usual, you guys already know what happens when I'm here to fix the cars. I went dog Tyler and some Madden, but
I'm fucking through fucking goddamn 7 interceptions.
You got 12. But we have Kyle's Maxima's back up. New trans in it. We just had to change the axle seal. So we're gonna go on a ride. Because last time we drove it, we put a new clutch in it, right?
Yeah.
Yo, we need some new, I need some new troll clips. So, what we doing? Maxima that's actually gonna run shit? Yeah.
We'll see how.
Oh, shit.
New trans didn't like that. I think the shifter feels really tight. Like the cables are routed, bro.
Oh, we could look at them. Damn, we gotta get CJ shit tuned. That'll be a good race. This versus that thing. Oil pressure looks good. How's the E in this thing?
Who knows? No gear.
None? Go and move it. Pop the hood. All right, guys.
It's not breaking up. Hell yeah, I miss driving this thing.
So basically basically what happened, he drove it one night, clutch started slipping, and the trans, what gear did you lose? Third gear grenaded. So the car sat. We ended up sourcing another trans. We put the trans in the car, new clutch in the car, and then the axle seal was leaking. So then we just parked it because we were closing our shop and shit like that. So it's been just chilling, not really a thought or a rush to get done. And then yesterday we did CJ Supercharged Z, and we got that up and running. So it's like, oh fuck, let's go fix the Maxima. So then Kyle fixed it while I played Madden with Tyler. And now we're driving it.
Got him! Got him!
We need to bleed it and check the cables. That shit feels good. That person was shitting bricks. Yeah, pump it. Yeah, I think we need to bleed it. This shit's gonna be a good run with the Z. Especially do a roll like that. Yeah, we can bleed it. Alright, YouTube, what are we doing?
My pill's clean, but my Glock dirty, cracker.
Wait, come back. They miss you, bro. They say, where you been?
Yo, so, man, give me this shit. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's Ty.833 here. So, as you know, we got a 350Z right here. Maxima is currently undergoing construction, and this car's getting sold because, you know, player gotta make big boy decisions, big boy things, you know. You remember the 6.0? You saw it. It was towing the drift car that was over there. So we got rid of that one. We got rid of the 6.0. 6.0's gone. Now we got a Mazda CX-5, boy. That shit, all-wheel drive, boy. So, you know, we out here being pimps and shit, you know, making adult decisions. Then you got this fucking bald fuck. What are you doing?
I already made my adult decisions, now I'm making childish decisions.
Show them the interior in that shit, bro.
Oh, yeah, y'all right, my bad. Thanks, Aunt, my bad. Alright, so, shit, I don't know if I locked it. It's locked, CJ. So, like, if we look in there, it's red. It's red interior, man. It's red interior. It ain't nothing special. It's just red. Oh shit. That bitch dead?
Yeah, it's dead.
Why it dead?
The fucking thing sat.
Alright, teach YouTube how to put jumper cables on. Some people didn't have a dad.
You do this and then you don't give a fuck, but this one's got a lot of batteries. So it's gonna, you know, fuck shit up. This thing should really start really fast because it's got 24 volts now.
24 volts. So yeah, if you didn't have a father growing up, what the fuck you shaking your head at?
You wouldn't know what it is.
Hey, like I said, if you didn't have a father growing up, they need to learn this. They don't. Not a lot of people know how you jump.
Yeah, I have a daddy. So like, the red go to the positive. If you look at the battery, there's normally a plus sign, and the black goes to the ground. See a negative, right?
And then what happened over here?
Hey, wait, the key. Don't touch them together. Then you come to this side. The red to the red, the black to the black. All right, it's pretty simple. He don't know how to do that. I had to teach him. He ain't have a daddy growing up, so that's why I came along. Yeah, he's like 50 and I'm 10, but it's all right.
Oh, he's stealing?
My boy Josh right here. Yeah, he's stealing, but we don't mean that any kind of way. He's stealing his own stuff back. But then you got TJ. He's camera shy. He's camera shy.
Hey, yo, Unc, where you going,
He be
Unc?
hiding and shaking his
Hey,
head.
yo, Unc, where you going, Unc? Yo, Unc, where you hiding at, Unc?
Shout out AJ. AJ be watching the videos. Wait. Got any wood? go.
Yeah, you're good.
It'll go.
Croco. Is that like racist? Is that racist?
I don't know.
Yeah, I got like a bust in my. I was upside down in the car doing the master cylinder, adjusting it. But y'all know what it is. You guys know we got some poles. We're gonna raise it a little bit later today. Gotta finish CJ's Supercharged Z. You guys saw that video already after this one. Is it? Man,
Maybe it's the driver's side.
you already know. We'll catch you guys in another video.
No, it's there.